About a month ago, that's when hospitals in South Central Wisconsin started seeing an increase in COVID patients in ICU beds. August 6th was the last time the 7-day average for patients in the ICU was under 100. Well, now that average is 303. In a state of nearly 6 million people, there are only about 90 ICU beds available right now. It sounds like a headline from last winter. Back in this time frame, only reality is now back. That's why a group representing our area's hospitals is begging people to do their part before we fully slip back into the deadly season we saw not too long ago. Anna Hansen reports.
Heading into the fall, COVID numbers seem to be dragging us back to last winter.
We're starting to see numbers similar to what we saw in February.
Over the past few weeks, local hospitals, including SSM St. Mary's in Madison, have filled up again with COVID patients.
Our ICU capacity in the Dane County region is getting stretched.
SSM Health's Amy Frantis says that with flu season approaching, there's even more cause for concern.
Our concern is what is going to happen as we go forward in this surge.
Many hospitals are feeling squeezed. Data out today from South Central Wisconsin's Healthcare Emergency Readiness Coalition shows hospitalizations for the virus quadrupled since July. According to Coalition Coordinator Jennifer Benke, ICU patients are up 5.5 times in that same period.
We can always get more stuff. We can always improvise with spaces. But if we don't have the staff we need to take care of those patients, that's still our greatest limiting factor.
The surge is affecting rural and urban communities the same way. But Benke says that urban hospitals have an advantage in terms of reinforcements, but also get more transfers because of it.
They're a little bit more resilient to that flux of healthcare turnover because they have, additional staffing pools that they might be able to pull from.
But while COVID patients continue to pour in, other types of patients do too, creating a problem for hospital staff.
It's really hard for us to share resources, the haves from the have-nots, when you're using those resources to take care of your current patient population.
It's why the Hospitals Coalition is urging everyone to do their part, including getting the vaccine, to ensure fewer people end up in wards nearing capacity again.
To somebody from another area, you think this is a referral center, but to those who live in Madison, these are their community hospitals as well.
In Madison, Anna Hansen, News 3 Now.
Just shy of 70% of everyone in Dane County is now fully vaccinated, making it the most vaccinated county in Wisconsin.